driving, it would flare a little bit between gears. When I say flare, that means it would slip just slightly on the gear change, which again is weird because this car doesn't slip. It shifts hard and firm through all the gears. So I got to work, got in touch with Brett Lasala, who built the transmission for me. He's been in the car about a year now, and I described what was happening, and he described to me that it sounds like the pump was going out in the car. He said it seems to be just a consumable part. It's a failure that happens. So the best advice he gave me was to pull the transmission out and send it back to him, and he'll change the pump, and he'll also go through it and make sure everything else is up to snuff and just make sure nothing else is damaged. So that's what I'm doing. So today, I left the car at Fast Lane last night, so I'm on my way now to the shop where I'm going to pull the transmission this morning. And then I got my trailer behind me, so I'm gonna winch the car on the trailer, take it back home, so I can sit at the house for a couple of weeks till I get the transmission back, so it's not in the way of Fast Lane. And we'll see what happens. This sucks, you know. But anyway, rather find it now than in the middle of the racing season. So it is still winter time, it's February. So we'll go ahead and pull that transmission out today, and we'll get it palletized up, send it down to Brett Lasala, get him to go through it, get it all 100% again. I guess we'll send the converter back to Circle D, have them cut it open and check it out, make sure it's good to go, and we'll schedule to put back in the car later. There you go, there's an update. All right, so here it is. This is the famous 6R80 I got to take out. Give you a little perspective. Take the exhaust off, unhook the shifter cable, undo all the wideband sensor, and then I support it, take the drive shaft out. Then once I support the transmission, loosen the cross member there, take the bolts off where it attaches to the motor, knock the lines loose, take the starter off over here, and then pull all the bolts out, undo the torque converter. Now I should be able to push torque converter into the transmission, lower it all down, take it out. Sounds easy enough. Boy, get out of here! Winch for the win. Got the transmission all palletized. Took a pallet, made me some extra 2x4s, took 2 straps, strapped it down. Check it out. Thing is ready. See if I can get some plastic wrap, try to wrap it up so I can put a label on it, so I can call a truck to ship it, and then it will be ready to go back to Brett first thing Monday. There's the hate train all loaded up, ready to go home.